Sorry, Guneet and okay. There you are. Could you please present your product to me?
An Underground Railroad. The Underground Railroad was a secret organization. It was made up of people who helped African Americans escape from slavery in the southern United States. The people in this organization set up a system of routes that escaped could travel to find freedom in the northern United States and in Canada. In the 18th, between 30,000 and 40,000 escaped slaves traveled through the Underground Railroad.
So the Underground Railroad was used for escape and fight through the Civil War. The Civil War was for the freedom of slaves. This is Harriet Tubman. She was a leader of the Underground Railroad and a spy for the Underground Railroad system. Harriet Tubman was born in Dorchester County, Maryland. Tubman gained her freedom in 1849 when she escaped to Philadelphia. Harriet Tubman sacrificed her life to go and help other slaves find freedom. Everyone thought she was a boy because they thought a girl couldn't do this.
The builder of the Underground Railroad. Isaac T. Hopper was born on December 3, 1771 in Deptford, New Jersey, United States. The Underground Railroad started in 1787 when Isaac T. Hopper and Crocker began to organize a system for the hiding and aiding fugitive slaves. Isaac T. Hopper died on May 7, 1852.
One of the helpers in the secret organization of the Underground Railroad was William Still. William Still was the chairman of Pennsylvania Anti-Slavery Society. He aided fugitive Black slaves and helped them reunite with their families.
Sorry to interrupt here, but some people on the call can't hear you very well. Is your microphone like quite far away from where you're speaking? Sorry about this. Other people in the call, is this a bit better? Could you can say something, please?
Can you hear us now?
Better. Do you have space to move it a little bit closer, or will that bring the presentation out of you?
Can you hear us now?
Yeah, that's good angle, but could you just speak a bit louder, please?
Okay.
Thank you. Can you continue your presentation?
John Brown was also a helper of the Underground Railroad, and John Brown created a anti-slavery society in Canada.
Our thoughts on the Underground Railroad is that Underground Railroad has had a big effect on our history and how we worked as a team with others and how we cooperated with others.
Reflections. We think that the Underground Railroad was a great idea because it helped many people escape slavery and it gave them hope that they will be free. If the Underground Railroad didn't exist, those people that were stuck in slavery would still be stuck in slavery. And this is a model of the Underground Railroad. This is a model of our Underground Railroad.
Okay. Can you describe the model a bit for us, please?
The Underground Railroad was just like a system of tunnels underground. So like this is like a tunnel we made as the Underground Railroad.
Okay. What is it made out of? Like, what are the materials?
We use clay and we use some boards as cardboard to put under as a base.
Okay. Thank you. I'll be asking you a few questions then. First off, for Heritage Fair Project, I've never worked as part of a team before. Do you like it better than working solo?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Who do you admire most of the people who are working on the Underground Railroad?
Harriet Tubman.
Yeah. Harriet Tubman, she sacrificed her life for others. She went back to save other people. When she escaped, she went back to the Underground Railroad to save others.
Harriet Tubman for me because she showed that girls are as strong as boys.
Do you think your topic, the Underground Railroad, do you think it should be taught in our schools?
Yes.
Okay. What is the thing, like, what is one thing, if you had the ability to go back in time and like change one thing about your project, what would you change?
When we were building like the project?
Yeah.
We would try to make like our model maybe a little bit better.
Yeah, that's actually it.
Where did you get your information from? Like, what was your, do you have like one main source that you used?
We had a lot of help from Wikipedia's, and one was, I think, the history. It was www.history.com.
What was something like an aspect of your project that you wanted to learn more about, but you couldn't find like the sources for?
We wanted to know a bit like more about slavery, like why it started, and we couldn't find that much on it.
Okay. Do you have any personal relation to this topic in any way, or do you just find it an interesting topic to research about?
Actually do, because like some people still treat Black people the same way, and because of our skin color, some people are treated like this way too.
What is the most interesting thing about your topic?
I think that the most interesting thing was about how Harriet Tubman, how she sacrificed her life for the others.
I'm sorry. What was the function of the Underground Railroad? I mean, like, how did it physically work?
So like if any Black slaves needed help, there was this area where they can find the way to get into the tunnels, and they used the tunnels to escape to different countries. Like one was Canada, and I think it was Southern United States.
And how would you explain this project to someone, like if you didn't have this board and you didn't have your model, like how would you introduce this topic to someone who's never heard about it?
We would start with like what was slavery, and then we would explain about how like people escaped slavery.
Um, hardest thing about your project, what was it?
I think the tunnel.
Yeah, the model of our project. I think that would be the hardest.
Okay. And how long did this whole project take you as a whole?
About like 3 days.
All right. Well, thank you for presenting to me. That will be all my questions. Have a good day.
Me too. Thank you.